Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn in how you can connect your hosting group domain to Vercel. So of course, I also have here my domain provider, which is my Squarespace account. So first thing that you are going to do here is you just have to open your hosting group account and then go to your domains. Okay, and you'll be able to see here now your domain. So all you have to do is just simply copy this one, and then you just have to go here on Vercel and then go to the domains and then tap on the add domain option. So you just have to paste here your domain. Okay, and then tap on the save option. Okay, so after that we just have to update the DNS record and the Vercel DNS. So first let's go to the name servers. So since Squarespace is our domain provider, so all we have to do here is to change the main server. Okay, so let's go to the DNS, go to the domain name servers, and then we are going to update this one. Okay, and then just tap on continue with Google. That's right, and then here we just have to change the name server one. Okay, so let's go back here. So copy this one and then paste it right here. And for the next one, we have this. Okay, and then just have to simply paste it right here as well. Okay, so let me just paste it right here. Alright. So let me just delete this one and then tap on the save option. Okay, so since we're already done with this, so let's go back here and go to the DNS record. So right here we are just going to copy these records. So let's go to Hostinger. That's right, and then we are going to tap on the manage DNS. Okay, so since as you can see right here, it would take up to 24 to 48 hours. So let's just go to our Squarespace. Okay, so let's go to our DNS settings, and then we are going to add a new record right here. Tap on this one. So for our type, we have the option. Okay, so as you can see, since we already added the name servers, we don't really have to manually put everything together. So after that, as you can see, we already added our Hostinger domain to Vercel. Okay, so it might take some time for the DNS records to propagate globally. So you just have to read this one, and then after that, you just have to close this section. So when connecting a Hostinger domain to Vercel, you should consider proper DNS configuration, especially setting the correct A record or C name that Vercel provides, and removing any conflicting records that may cause errors. It's also important to allow time for DNS propagation, which can take a few minutes up to 24 hours, and to verify the domain inside the Vercel dashboard to ensure it's correctly linked. And lastly, you make sure domains name servers are still managed by Hostinger unless you intentionally change them, and enable the HTTPS in Vercel so your site is secure and loads correctly for visitors. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped solve your concern, please subscribe, like it.